Back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be playing some Asphalt 8 Airborne, which is a brand new game. Well, it's not brand new, but I wanted to play it, so let's start on with the play. Speed through a quick tutorial. Yeah, I'll learn how to drive one of these. I mean, I already played Asphalt, but if it's like a quick race, I guess, then I'll try it real fast. But that's a nice picture right there. You can stop drifting. Cool stuff. So yeah, post in the comments if you want to see more of this. I've heard a lot of cool things about this game. Post in the comments. Yeah, post in the comments if you want to see more of Asphalt 8. And yeah, if you want to see any other game, I'll play it. So kind of just have to tilt your device the way you want it to go, and then you hold down. Yeah, I know how to. This is easy. It's pretty easy. Yeah, this isn't hard. I know how to brake. Okay, and then you hold down on the left side of the screen to brake. So it's not very hard. So you can get some nice drifting with the brake. The steering left is pretty easy. You just tilt left instead of tilting right. That's pretty reasonable. And I think we just set a record of crashing into everything. So is that good? Yeah, we're doing pretty good so far. We're not doing the worst. I mean, I've definitely done worse. I used to play like the original Asphalt 4 and things like that. Drifted right there, which was cool, I guess. I mean, I like to drift, but not all the time. So let's change the point of view. So can we get inside the car? Nope, there's only 2 ones. So I guess you can't get inside the car. So that's a little sucky. That would really be cool. See, I like the inside the car view. It's just I like it a lot better. So the flat spin jump, go off a ramp while drifting to perform a flat spin jump. Yeah, that was failed. Okay, I may have failed, but it wasn't the worst. So let's go and hit this finish line. Drifted right in there. So the tutorial is complete, and it wasn't very hard. That car on the left looks awesome. Yeah, it's pretty fun. So we got 1,500 credits right off the bat, and there's ads on this game. So if there is ads popping up, sorry. So what I'll do now is I'll play some multiplayer. Okay, I'll just play them. So, Nevada Classic. Let's go. And I'm in Swift used car, Class D. I like this car, the Audi. I like the Audis. So I think I'm gonna go with this guy right here. Because he's my new car. Or it's my new car. And I mean, might as well use the new one instead of the old one, because the old one's worse. Got a pretty cool car, actually. It looks pretty cool, so I guess I'll use it. It's better than nothing. So we have to cross the finish line first. We have, I don't know how many people racing in Nevada. 2, 1, go. So we started in last place, which is kind of not very fair. But we can literally beat these guys up in this game, so that's why I like it. Why did I take the road? That was not very smart. I'm one of the only people that... I was gonna say I was the only person who took the road, but then a bunch of people started popping up from behind. Hey, I'm in first. I'm not doing too shabby. No. Why did I have to say that? Get me on the road, because that's better. On the road. So we can actually drive. Let's go down here. Let's drive across. Grab that nitro there, which I just missed totally. Let's go up here. Come on, first place. I want to be first place. First race, first place. Oh, geez. Third place. Nay, is what I say to third place. Yeah, that's right, car 3. Well, now he's probably way farther behind. The guy in first place is pretty high up ahead of me. I don't even know where he is at this point, which is kind of bad, actually. So, I think I'm just gonna drive through here pretty fast. No! We wrecked ourselves. That was not good. I put myself in last place for that? No. Are you kidding me? That sucks. Really? That can put you that far back? Well, that sucks. I'm gonna use as much nitro as I can, so I can get this speed up. I'll probably drive on the walls because we're going so fast. We're going like 200 miles an hour. So yeah, we're going pretty dang fast for a car. For an Audi, at least. What? I'm in third? No. I don't want third, so no. I'll take second, though. Second isn't bad for my first race. Yeah, I guess I will. I guess second's pretty good. So it took me 2 minutes and 39 seconds to beat that race. That's not bad. I mean, once I get a faster car, it'll definitely be well under 2 minutes. So, we got 4-star. And there's a stupid ad. And we have 822 of those coins. I'm thinking we go for Tokyo Classic. Because that's pretty cool. So, how much is you? Tesla Model X, Cadillac, Ford, Skyron, Mini Cooper. These cars suck. Besides you, hold on. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. No, that's what I want right there. 175,000. That's a little much, but I mean, what about car pack? Like, I don't know. I'm just gonna race because that's probably what you guys want to watch is me race and not me talk about cars. So let's go race this. Start this race, classic mode. Again, it's just gonna be, it's the same game mode, just on a different map with different people. So they could be better cars, they could be worse cars. Who knows what they are? Honestly, we could be in a little bit of pickle situation, or we could be really great here. So, I wonder how I'm gonna do. I might place great, or I might place bad. 3, 2, 1. How come I always start in last place? That's no fair. kill him so he doesn't get up against me right after. We got 3 and 4 over here, which think they're all uptight, want to win. But I say nay, and I say bye-bye. And I say, dang, I need... Oh, geez, we all wrecked there. Almost everybody wrecked into that truck, which was not good. No, bro. Nobody passes me up, besides for the people that are in front of me. Nice. Double spin. Kicked your butt. And I guess we're in first. So that went really great. I'm going to go right, because right is the right way to go. So there is people kind of catching up, but... I mean, I'm not the most worried, but actually I'm pretty worried about this. Whoa, jeez. No! Come on. The only reason I just failed that is because I need some nitro, but I ain't got none. Don't have any. Come on. Come on, nitro. Great. It's actually great right there that we got that nitro. Do a spin in the air, land on you, grab some nitro. So I'll spin on the left side, even though I didn't even spin. So we're going to turn up here, grab some nitro, might as well, even though we're full. Let's drift that. Move car. Oh no. Somebody wants to catch up. I say, nada. Aw, man. I think we might come in second again. Unless I grab this. Yes. That nitro could have just saved me right there. But this route could have just failed me. See, now going through this route, I kind of just made myself have to put even farther down. So that's not the best either. I mean, the farther I have to go, the worse I'll be, so I'm just gonna wreck their face. I'll wreck all their faces, because that's what's good for them, is to die. Oh, I'm in last? Yeah, I should have thought about that. That this was not a good way to go. And dang, it doesn't seem like I'm going slow, but I am going slow. And I mean slow. And I'm going to turn down my volume. I'm going to go through here. I'm going to take a shortest route I possibly can. I can't even see who's in 5th place anymore. So that's how bad I'm doing. Now I see him, but here we go. Now might be my chance to get out of here. No! Dang it! Last? Not good. That was bad. See, that's what happens sometimes. It's not the worst, but I'll get over it. Yeah. Yeah, I got it. That was not good. Let's do this one here. Next. Start this. This is another classic one here. Just the Audi R8 e-tron. 1 lap, 6 racers. Let's go. Do this good. So, could go good or bad. Hoping it goes good. Because if it goes bad, then it sucks. So let's go. So wait, do we all have the same car? Or not? How am I? See, this is no fair. I have to start out in last place. No. Bro, you are not nitroing. You are ditroing. Die? I mean, I'm in 4th place. I see 3rd place right there. Yeah, 3rd place. No. Dang it, I missed him. No, 4th place caught back up. Oh no, we need to go there. Oh geez, that was bad. Oh man. Had to drift over there and grab that nitro. Let's kill 4th place. Let's kill 3rd place. Let's wreck right past 2nd place. Grab ourselves 1st. No! You and you get away from me. This is my game, not yours. I want to win. Why did I choose this way? Not a good way to choose. Okay, so we're in 2nd right now. So let's grab this. Whoa. Okay. Let's just keep it steady until we get out of here. Whoa. Now I can literally fly through this tunnel. It was like 230 miles an hour through there. Whoa. Shouldn't do that. Don't think I should be doing that anyways. Because that wastes my time. And the last thing I want them to do is win. And if they win, then that means that I lose. Oh no, I still missed the shortcut, dang it. I never learned the routes of Tokyo, which sucks. Which I need to. Because it's a great map, honestly. And I'm in still 1st place, which is very surprising. No, once it gets back here, it's gonna put me. Yeah, I'm in 3rd now. Yep, 3rd. So, still doing okay. I'm on top of the building, so I don't have to worry about anything. 2nd place. 1st place. Where are you? You know you want to lose. Come on, 1st place. No, that same green car came on me last time. So 2nd place, I'll take well over 6th place the other time. 6th place is a little bit bad. 2nd place is not bad at all. It's actually great. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much that race. That was a pretty good race. Pretty good race. So what's next? Okay, so we got $2,000 with 3 upgrade cars, upgrade a car. So I'm gonna go back real fast and yeah, I'm still new to this. Okay, car paint, tuning, and car packs now. Class C, 1,950. I have $2,000. That's awesome. That's really awesome. And that's even cooler. Now I've seen this really cheap Lamborghini, but it's still pretty good. Geez, these are expensive. I don't think it was in here. because these are what are the most expensive cars. I think it was in Class B, all the way at the end. No, wait, past it. Yeah, right there. Only 21,000 for the Lamborghini. I think I'll actually get that. Should I get that, guys? Post in the comments if I should get that Lamborghini. Lamborghini Countach 25th anniversary. It's a lot better than my car. 4.80 S. I mean, it's better than this. Top speed 200.1 kilometers, so goes about 200 miles an hour. And then this car, this Lamborghini, goes about almost 300. So I think I'll actually get this. Yeah, because it's pretty good. So let's go do another race. Let's try and get as much money as we can. So which one's good for money? Elimination is great. So it's pretty much who's like ever in last place gets knocked out of the race. So say I was in last place. Let's say there was all 6 people. Whoever's in 6th gets knocked out of the race. Whoever's in 5th the next time gets knocked out of the race. And it pretty much just goes on like that. So it's not very easy. Yeah. So hope to get as much money as I can, because I would really like to get that Lamborghini, because that Lamborghini is fairly cheap. We're back at Nevada, Pillar 4. Why did they number their pillars? It's a little dumb. Oh, and this is an 8-person race, so whoa, man, got in my way. So yeah, it's always best to nitro right away. Right after you get nitro, it's best to use it, because you need to get up as far as you can from everybody else, because in front of. So yeah, 2nd place. No, I hate that. Yeah, I'm not very good at drifting. That was a good drift. That was an okay drift. 8th player eliminated. That's what I was telling you about. People can get eliminated like that. And I just got myself full nitro. So that's really awesome. So that means I'll be speed in ahead of these people, even though that he just overtook me, which is actually very unfortunate. Barrel flip. Oh, we missed it. I mean, we're in 2nd position, so as long as we're staying near 1st place, I'm still happy. Oh, there's a course over here. Either way, we're still doing good. 6 is about to get eliminated. 6th place eliminated. I think I might get eliminated. This guy right in front of me stealing all the nitro. As long as I don't die, as long as I get more nitro, I'm fine. But this guy keeps taking all the nitros. So I gotta go grab as much of this stuff as I can. Come on. Can I nitro into him? There we go. Let's get him out of here, and let's try and speed ahead of him as much as we possibly can. Where you got? Decently far ahead of him. We didn't get the best, but it's still decent. Yeah, now we're really great. Okay. So let's get right up ahead. Let's grab the orange nitro. Let's go this way, because it's a lot faster in my opinion. 3rd eliminated, now it's just me and this guy. So this is actually very, very scary for me and him, because he's like One simple mistake that he makes, and he's out of it. 3, 1. Oh my jeez. I won. Was I eliminated or did I win? What? I was in front of him though. That was no fair, but I did get quite a bit of money. I don't even know how much I got there. I probably got a lot. Hoping I got a lot. So we got about 800 bucks there, which is quite a bit. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed today's episode, leave a like, and until next time, I'll see you all later. Bye-bye.